You are watching channel number collage. Through this channel, we make sincere efforts to make you understand mathematics in a simple and easy manner. In this video, we will understand about profit and loss. But before that, let us get acquainted with certain terms. Cost price. It is the price at which an item is purchased. Selling price (SP). It is the price at which an item is sold. Profit. Selling price minus cost price. When the selling price is greater than the cost price, we make a profit. For example, suppose if we buy a machine for rupees 1 lakh and sell it for rupees 1,20,000, then we make a profit of 20,000 rupees. It is convenient to express profit in percentages. Hence, percentage profit is profit divided by CP multiplied by 100. In the video of percentages, we have seen that percentage quantity is always calculated on the base value. In this case, cost price is the base value, hence CP has been used here. Moreover, profit is selling price minus cost price. Loss equals cost price minus selling price. Whenever the cost price is greater than the selling price, we make a loss. For example, suppose if we buy a machine for rupees 1 lakh and sell it for rupees 90,000, then we make a loss of 10,000 rupees. It is also convenient to express loss in percentages. So percentage loss is actual loss divided by cost price multiplied by 100. Here the base value, which is the cost price, has been used to find the percentage loss. To understand the concept of profit and loss, let us solve few examples. Sohan bought a second-hand refrigerator for rupees 2,500. Then he spent rupees 500 on its repair and sold the refrigerator for rupees 3,300. We have to find the loss or gain that Sohan made, and that too in percentage. In this case, cost price is rupees 2,500. That is the initial cost price. The cost price after overheads, because he has spent rupees 500 on its repair. So that 500 we have to add to this 2,500. So therefore our actual cost price would become rupees 3,000. The selling price is rupees 3,300. It is the price for which Sohan has sold the refrigerator. In this case, the selling price is greater than the cost price. Naturally, Sohan has made profit in this dealing. So profit is selling price minus cost price, which is 3,300 minus 3,000, which is rupees 300. We have to find percentage profit, which we can find profit divided by CP multiplied by 100. We have profit 300 and cost price 3,000 multiplied by 100. These three zeros will get cancelled with these three zeros, and we are left 10, which is the percentage profit. So percentage profit is 10%. Next, a shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs for rupees 10 each. However, 5 bulbs were fused and had to be thrown away. The remaining were sold at rupees 12 each. We have to find the gain or loss percentage. Here CP is 200 multiplied by 10, which is rupees 2000. Selling price is 200 minus 5 multiplied by 12, which will be 195 multiplied by 12, which is rupees 2340. Since selling price is greater than the cost price, the shopkeeper makes a profit. The profit will be SP minus CP 2340 minus 2000, which will be rupees 340. His percentage profit will be profit divided by CP multiplied by 100. That will be 340 divided by 2000 multiplied by 100. Now these three zeros will get cancelled with these three zeros. 34 divided by 2 will be 17. So the shopkeeper makes percentage profit of 17%. Next, Meenu bought 2 fans for rupees 1200 each. That means the price of each fan is rupees 1200. She sold one at a loss of 5% and the other at a profit of 10%. Find the selling price of each fan and also find out the total profit or loss made by Meenu. Here cost price of 2 fans each is rupees 1200. Selling price of first fan will be 95 divided by 100 multiplied by 1200 because she has sold one fan at a loss of 5%. So it would be 95%. These two zeros will get cancelled with these two zeros. 95 multiplied by 12 will become 1140. Selling price of second fan is 110 divided by 100 multiplied by 1200 because she has sold the other fan at a profit of 10%. So the profit will be 110 divided by 100 multiplied by 1200. The selling price will be 110 divided by 100 multiplied by 1200. These two zeros will get cancelled with these two zeros. So 110 multiplied by 12, which will be rupees 1320. Now since selling price a cost price of 2 fans will become 1200 plus 1200, that is rupees 2400, and selling price of 2 fans will be 1140, which is the selling price of the first fan, plus 1320, which is the selling price of the second fan. So it will be total rupees 2460. Now since the selling price is greater than the cost price, Meenu will make a profit. The total profit will be SP minus CP 2460 minus 2400, which will be rupees 60. Her percentage profit will be profit divided by CP multiplied by 100, which will be 60, the profit divided by 2400, the cost price multiplied by 100. These two zeros will get cancelled with these two zeros. 12 2s are is 24, 12 5s are is 60. So it will be 5 divided by 2, that is 2.5%. So Meenu will make 2.5% profit. Next, a shopkeeper bought two TV sets at rupees 10,000 each. He sold one at a profit of 10% and the other at a loss of 10%. We have to find whether the shopkeeper made an overall profit or loss. Here CP of the two TV sets is rupees 10,000. Selling price of first or one TV set is 110 divided by 100 multiplied by 10,000, because he sold one TV at a profit of 10%. So 100 plus 10 will be 110. These two zeros will get cancelled with these two zeros. 110 multiplied by 100 will give us 11,000 rupees. Selling price of another TV set will be 90 divided by 100 multiplied by 10,000, because he has sold the other set at a loss of 10%. So 100 minus 10 will be 90. These two zeros will get cancelled with these two zeros. 90 multiplied by 100 will be rupees 9,000. The cost price of two TV sets will be 10,000 plus 10,000, that will be rupees 20,000. Selling price of two TV sets will be 9,000, that is the selling price of the first TV set, 11,000 the selling price of the second TV set, which will be rupees 20,000. Since both cost price and selling price are same, the shopkeeper will not make any profit. His total profit will be 0 and he will make 0% total profit. Next, a shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2,400 and sells them for a profit of 16%. Find the selling price of one article. Here cost price is rupees 2,400. Selling price will be cost price plus 16% of cost price, because he is selling the articles for a profit of 16%. So it will be 16% of cost price. It will be 2,400, which is the CP, plus 16% of 2,400, which will be, these two zeros will get cancelled with these two zeros. 16 multiplied by 24, it will be 384. So the selling price will be rupees 2784. Since the selling price is greater than the cost price, the shopkeeper makes a profit, and the selling price of each article will be 2784, which is this, divided by 80, which is the total number of articles. It will give us rupees 34.80 rupees, which will be the selling price of one article. Next, the cost of an article was rupees 15,500. Rupees 450 were spent on its repair. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, we have to find the selling price of the article. Here, the cost price is 15,500 plus the repair charges 450, which will be rupees 15,950. Selling price is cost price plus 15% profit made on the cost price, because it has been sold for a profit of 15%. So it will be 15 divided by 100 multiplied by 15,950. This 10 will get cancelled with this 10, and 1595 divided by 10 will be 159.5. So it will be 15 multiplied by 159.50. This will be 2392.50, and this sum will give us the selling price of the article, which will be rupees 18,342.50. A VCR and TV were bought for rupees 8,000 each. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on the VCR and a profit of 8% on the TV. Find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. The loss made on VCR is 4% of rupees 8,000, because loss of 4% on VCR and the cost price of VCR is rupees 8,000, which will be 4 divided by 100 multiplied by 8,000. These two zeros will get cancelled with these two zeros, so we get 4 multiplied by 80. That will be the loss on VCR, which is rupees 320. Now, profit on TV is 8% of rupees 8,000, because the cost price of TV is 8,000 and 8% profit has been made on TV. So it will be 8 divided by 100 multiplied by 8,000. These two zeros will get cancelled with these two zeros. It will be 8 multiplied by 80. So the profit on TV will be rupees 640. Now the cost price of VCR and TV will be 8,000 plus 8,000, because each one of them costs rupees 8,000. So it will be rupees 16,000. Now here we observe that the profit is greater than loss. See, 640 is greater than 320. So the net profit made by the shopkeeper will be the profit, which is 640, and the loss, which is 320. So the net profit made is rupees 320. Percentage profit will be profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100, which will be 320, which is this, and 16,000, which is this, multiplied by 100. Now here these three zeros will get cancelled with these three zeros. 32 divided by 16 will be 2. Hence the percentage profit made in the whole transaction will be 2%. So this is about the basics of profit and loss and how to calculate percentage profit and percentage loss in any business transactions. If you have liked this video, please like and share it. Subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.